right, Henry, you ready to go? Yes, let's do this. Fox Squadron again. No headshots of me because I'm just wearing a mask and a face guard as usual. Yes, Henry has a 1911 TAC.
No,
and
look.
Oh, there's a BB in the hammer. Oh my God. Oh, bro, that's funny.
It's stuck in there.
It's just stuck in there. And this is his Captain America shield. Show off your shield, Henry. The viewers got to see it. Yes. You can be like Henry. You can be Captain America.
No.
And I'm just running my 1911 TAC as usual, because we're cool. Alright. And this is the field at I-Corps Airsoft. There's 4 different flags: Huntress, Crusader, Gator, and Raptor. And each flag could be a different spawn point depending on the objective, which you'll see a little bit later. Oh my gosh, they're already down signing teams.
That's when they all walk. Is the camera rolling?
Yeah. Hey, Fonzie.
Yes, your best defense is to laugh when someone draws a gun.
I'm only terrible, don't
Hey, Henry.
Over here. Thank you,
No,
sir.
Captain.
Hey, let's go.
I'm just fat and my things are fogged up, so.
It's all good. You'll be fine.
I've had to deal with foggy goggles for so long. It's such a pain.
See what the teams are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we got this totally. That's like, yeah, 7 versus 8. This is perfect.
To me, it looks like they have about 11 people.
What are you
You're gonna destroy you.
Probably.
But yeah, it's 8 versus 7.
Okay, we gotta think smarter, no harder.
Look at these
It's about drive. It's about power. I feel like 2 of them equals 1 of us.
Our flags.
Okay.
Ooh.
He's not sick.
These are going to be the primary objective for the game.
Don't put my
The goal of this game is to get as many flags as you can to your base. You hate this mode?
Yep.
Oh no, so sad. This is also considered a life. Got it?
Yes, sir.
When you die, you stick your life in the ground. If you have 3, 4, or 5, or even 1, you stick all of them in the ground right where you're at. Got it? Okay. If you guys have extras, bring them back to your base. In order to be on the field playing, you need to go back to your base and you need to have at least 1. Got it? So if you die, you drop all the ones that you have right where you're at, you go back, you get 1, and then you go back to your base. Yes.
So what if your base doesn't have it?
Then you guys are out of lives.
Woohoo.
Let's do that.
You are not allowed to steal from the enemy.
Oh, okay, that was changed from last time.
Yes, oh, very much so.
Mainly because of me.
Yeah, Foxy, thanks.
I wish I could do
Oh,
like
you know, sure.
that.
I stole like all the flags from a base on a mega flank one time. It was nasty.
Alright, and start out with 20 flags on each base.
That's more than 15.
More than twice the number of our players.
That's like twice as many as 10.
That's like 3 times the number of all of both teams. Oh, let's do Huntress.
Huntress.
Do you
Huntress.
guys have a say?
That one's
You guys
far
care?
away.
We don't.
This is my first time here, so I don't care.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do Huntress.
So,
Hunter's flag.
Yeah, if we don't want to walk too far.
Crusader.
Damn, they're taking the good flag.
Why didn't we take that then?
Because people don't want to walk, I guess. Blame that on Henry.
That thing, since they all have big spirit guns and they can suppress fire.
Yeah, but if we hold Straw Hill, we can be suppressed and still stay alive.
Apologies for the wind. I can do a lot of things, but the wind I cannot change. Journal here was doing a main rules arena check for all the new players, and unfortunately the wind was really loud, so I'm just going to relate to what he said. Basically, he labeled out the KI zones were anywhere on the body or the gun, besides Henry's shield, which is very nice for Henry, and including the camera for me, basically. And bang-bang distances are 5 feet for pistols, rifles are 15 feet, and sniper rifles are about 50 feet. Additionally, dead men do not speak while they are dead, they simply just try to respawn.
Bang, bang,
That's
call your
basically
hit.
it. And friendly fire counts, as Henry demonstrates.
Ricochets don't count.
So strategy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run out to Straw Hill. We're going to have these 2 people push with us. You guys can push with them basically and take that trench and that board, and we just kind of hold the middle of the map and yeah, center Straw Hill is those hay bales. We'll take the trench next to it, the hay bales, and that entire trench. Go, 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 go!
And I hear one of our friendlies bang bang.
Let's bang banging! One guy running in, he's going to A-frame. Oh, hit. Did I not hit you?
So all the shots hit his strap, so he didn't feel it, but who cares, honestly? We're here to just have fun, so I don't really care at all. He's a really nice guy, too. He would have called it had he known he got hit, but he just didn't feel it, so no biggies at all. And I also remember to drop my phone.
That's all part of it. He was wearing a vest, so he's probably not going to feel it. Are you shooting anyone, or? Oh, okay, gotcha.
He can't see anything because his goggles are fogging up.
That's unfortunate. So they're all in Straw Hill, essentially. Alright, so these guys are covering that in goal.
Now, the refs do drop flags during the game so the teams can collect them without killing people, and I noticed that Chernobyl starts dropping his flags.
Okay, Albert's in first. That's good. Good one to pick up, because right now we're at a stalemate. I don't know what's going on. They're going to have to take out some kills. They're all set up really good, though. I mean, those guys could be a little bit more forward, but I don't think it matters. I died. Dan Solomon's flag? Oh yeah, I can take it back for you. Keep everyone low so that no one like dies with like 50 on them. I wonder if I can hit him from here. Oh, I totally can.
Even though I missed like every shot.
I'm gonna take these one guys. You guys got someone on the board! Suppress him! Suppress him! Hey, Solomon, there's a guy on that board. You wanna help him take him out? Watch your right, though. I'll run up to the barricade, you shoot him down. Oh, I'm actually going to drop all the flags right here. No, I'll just drop those right there for now. Covering fire, moving for a flag. Oh, hit.
Friendly fire, but it counts. No problem, though. There's Henry being the MVP.
Oh, Henry got him. I can respawn off those. Yeah, if you find a flag while walking up to it, you can just take it and respawn.
Those were the old rules, but...
Hey, bro. Oh, okay, gotcha.
Chernobyl tells me they're not the rules anymore.
Did not know that. Yeah, I get more flags back. Oh, no, actually pretty good. Let's run out and get those flags. No, you're good. Hey, Henry. I'll pull this one from the base for you so you can keep out. Yeah. Actually, we have to stay back there for a little bit. Okay, sounds good. I'll take that flag back for you.
How many mags you got there?
Like 4. I had 5, but I lost one of them just recently.
I only got 1.
That's...
But I have my...
It's all good. Out of CO2? Dang! Any extra flags I can take off you? Awesome, cool. You got an extra mag? Oh, I do. Yeah. Oh, I think that was a hit. Hello. Doing good, guys? Awesome. Did they get him? They got him. Okay.
He's like, please don't shoot me.
No, I just can't believe it. I mean, they might have not actually gotten him.
No, I think they banged him.
Yeah. It looks like it. Yeah, they got him easy. Here, I'll grab there. Oh, he's gonna run back with it. Alright, cool. You gonna run back with it, or you wanna drop it off with me? Alright, so good. Yeah? That was pretty epic, bro. Oh! Ah! Yep. Okay, let's go. FBI.
I don't see anybody over there.
There's one dude behind the A-frame right there. He's enemy. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, we see him with the A-frame. Hey, let's push up to the right if we want to take him out. That way. Oh, there's one flag ahead of us. You want to grab it? You have the shield. Oh, there's 2 flags. Yeah. Hey, we have 2 flags over here. There you go. wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, hit. Yep. Here's my flag. Oh, there's no trouble lead. Enemy is my enemy. Oh, 4 hits into it. Let's go, baby. Welcome to Arizona. All right, let's run after Henry and get his flags. Oh, he's going into the trench. I'm gonna pick up your flags. Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Yeah. Useful 4. This one yours?
Mine should be in my pocket.
I gotcha. Cool. So that's 1 for Henry. That's 4 for the objective. Gotcha. Moving back. What?
Pick my flag.
Oh, that was 1 of yours? Okay, gotcha.
I miscounted.
You're good. No problem. Here you go. Yep. Okay. That's only 2 flags then.
And I decide to move in for more flags. The refs decide to use me as
Gotcha.
target practice too.
That was a miss. Oh, crappy. Is there any more kids in there? Nope. Hit! Is this just attrition now?
Here, Fonz is testing out his weapon on Henry's shield.
Oh my gosh. I'm not hearing anything. Is that game? That looks like game. Okay, that's game. Cool. Alright, how many flags do we have? Let me check here. A lot. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 21, 22. Okay, 22 flags. Total. Now we had 22 flags on our side. 20, there's 28 total. Oh, does this count? Oh, okay, gotcha. So we had 28 then. Oh, okay, gotcha. Alright, and how many flags are there? Oh, okay, gotcha, cool. So we might have barely squeaked it then.
It turns out the enemy team only had 10 on their side.
So they had 10. GG, brothers! Woo! That's a freaking win! Hey, Henry! Yeah? Oh, yeah. Not even dented.
Nothing.
He's indestructible. He's Captain America. What are you talking about?
Oh, and that did it.
A little bit, yeah, but it didn't peel off though. That's what we were looking for. Upside down gun. What is this?
Like the video if you think this is an awesome way to hold a gun.
Captain Henry.
What if you
There we go.
Oh my god!
This is like straight marble right here.
All right, that's a strong.
All right. There you go. Oh, that'll be the game for today, I suppose.
My god!
Oh, there we go. Okay, that'll be the end of the video.
Thanks to all these awesome people as well. You guys made the video.
Yeah, too.